Hai, hello, Assalamualaikum. So untuk makeup look hari ni, muka macam garang-garang sikit. It's going to be on this blue smoky eyes. Okay, first kita akan buat mata dulu. If you have any black eyeshadow stick ataupun you nak pakai black eyeliner, then go ahead because I don't have that, so I pakai this brown eyeshadow and just put it on your eyelid. Lepas tu you pakai jari untuk cepat sebab it going to dry faster, so pakai jari je untuk blend the colour sampai dekat you punya crease area. Okay, after that Lisa layerkan black eyeshadow stick tadi tu, cream eyeshadow dengan colour hitam. So you can take just any black eyeshadow yang you ada, make sure it's matte. This is going to pop the color more. So this one is the blue color from Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. Dia macam like a glitter color, so you pack it on top of the black eyeshadow tadi, black base tadi, so dia akan pop lagi. And take your time to blend the colors dekat you punya crease pakai blending brush. Okay, now the eyes done, so just curl up your lashes. Curlkan betul-betul, take your time to curl your lashes supaya bentuk dia cantik nanti. And apply a light layer of your favorite waterproof mascara. So mascara ni tak perlu banyak-banyak sangat sebab kita akan pakai false lashes. So the lashes is on, and now Lisa just ambil eyeliner. So what I like to do, bila pakai lashes you akan nampak where the eyes punya opening tu. So you just follow you punya at the end of your line eyelash tu, you just follow untuk lukis you punya wing liner. Okay, now clean up your skin and pakai moisturizer. So I'm using this Weleda Skin Food in Light. Light ni means the punya texture is lighter compared to the original one, and make sure you massage everything into your skin. So if you suka pakai tangan, you can definitely just use your hands, which is actually better. Tapi sebab Lisa punya tangan tadi macam ada glitter lah apa, so I just decide to use a brush. So this is a synthetic brush, and just make sure that moisturizer tu rata dekat seluruh muka. Okay, so we go bougie a little bit. So pakai primer. This is enhancing primer from Tom Ford. Okay, this one actually you just need one pump, but since dah terlebih pump, so we just put it all over my face sebab macam mahal, so kita tidak mahu membazir. Okay, so make sure rata. Okay, foundation. Wah, tadi pakai primer mahal. Foundation kita pakai Maybelline Fit Me saja. Okay, I really love Maybelline Fit Me punya finishing, so I use code 220. Is actually slightly darker than my skin tone, and dia ada oxidation sedikit saja. So saya pakai this tart shape tip. First color is the light medium sand. Just pakai dekat macam closest to kita punya bawah mata tu untuk cancel out any darkness. Sebab I don't really like my under eyes to be too bright, so Lisa cari yang something yang similar skin tone. Then after that baru Lisa brightenkan sikit pakai the code fair ni. Pakai sikit-sikit je sebab kita tak nak terlalu nampak putih. Macam tu. And then just blend and bring it upward sikit, balance itu, baru bawa blend ke atas. Okay, so now dekat hidung tu kita blend. So nampak tak macam terlebih? Actually kat hidung actually korang kena kurangkan, but I accidentally terletak lebih pula. So I'm taking this foundation brush. Anything yang left over foundation dekat brush tu, just blend everything supaya tak nampak that harsh lines, and to remove anything yang extra tadi. Okay, especially dekat nose area tu. Okay, now kita set everything pakai this loose powder from Chanel. Dulu memang saya pakai Chanel punya loose powder ni, and I actually like it. Tapi macam saja nak try something new, and kenapa dah ni terlupa pula. Okay, now kita pakai to contour and bronze to warm up the skin balik. This one is the Barbie X Dark bronzer, the face palette. Okay, actually macam saya suka juga sebenarnya product ini, macam senang nak blend, and the colour pun nice. So saya suka letak dekat forehead sikit, and hilangkan sikit kita punya double chin tu. Lepas tu, okay, since the eyes dah macam babavum sangat, so we tone down on the blusher, pakai something yang natural. Okay, for eyes, underneath the eye, decide to do something yang macam brightening sikit. So, Lisa ambil this eye amazing shadow stick from Nongchat. This one is in color pearl. So, dia macam like pearl color. Okay, this trick, kalau you punya bottom lash line you, bottom lash eyelash you macam straight, you can do that to ketipkan ke bawah. So, you punya lashes tu akan lagi terbuka. Instead of going straight, they're going downwards. And put on some mascara. Okay, now Lisa ambil balik Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette tu. Saya ambil colour yang white and the silverish tu and put on top of the eyeshadow stick tadi untuk lagi macam bagi like glitter sikit, macam lagi terbuka, macam lagi amazing gitu. Effect dia akan lagi macam wow. Silver punya colour tadi Lisa wetkan sikit and put on the inner tear duct tu, so dia macam lagi bright kan kita punya mata and I kind of love it. Okay, betul. Untuk lipstick, Lisa line dulu pakai 1993 and then put on top of Penelope Pink Charlotte Tilbury. So that is the finished look. Okay, nampak tak muka angkuh-angkuh kat situ, but I really love how it turns out. So I hope you enjoy watching this makeup tutorial and see you next time. Bye. Oh, jangan lupa untuk subscribe juga.